going to show you guys how to screen print on pockets. That tutorial is coming right up. Okay, so one of the things you're going to need is a palette that is small enough to do your pocket print with. We are actually using a sleeve palette here. And I'm just going to slide my pocket over it. I have my artwork all aligned to my palette. So there we go. Now I'm going to bring my screen around. And you just want to make sure your orientation is correct. Generally you print things upside down, but this case here, we are printing it correct side up. That's the compressor you heard in the background. And there we go. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty awesome. We've ran off quite a few of these, and so I just wanted to show you guys how we go about screen printing pocket prints. So now I'm just going to carefully pull this thing off and toss it into the conveyor dryer. Here we go. Here's our pocket print all cured. Pretty simple, isn't it? Really just need to make sure you have a palette that you'll be able to fit your pocket print on. That's the easiest way to go about doing it. There's other ways that I have done pocket prints that have kind of been a little bit of a makeshift way, towards where you can cut a piece of cardboard out, set it directly underneath where your print will go, raise your off contact, and do it that way, but this is the simplest way to do it.